Good morning everyone. Today we're going to Universal. I'm very Weasley-fied today. I actually made this t-shirt myself because I wanted a cute Harry Potter crop top, but I just couldn't find one, so I decided to make one myself. And I've got my Weasley lounge fly because we're going to have a very Harry Potter day because it's back to Hogwarts Day. We do this every 3 years, it's like tradition, we have to go to Universal and back to Hogwarts Day. Today's been a very stressful morning trying to get Harry Styles tickets. We managed to secure Johnny's place for 2 venues, which if you're a Harry Styles fan, you know how big that is. So it's been very stressful, but let's go to Universal.
Okay, we are in. We're going straight to Velocicoaster. This is our last Universal day, so we need to basically just get done everything that we want to get done. We've pretty much done everything already. It's just a case of what we want to do again. Oh, it's loud. The wait times, if I can speak properly, have dramatically dropped in the last couple of days. Like, Disney is so quiet. So I'm kind of hoping that's the same case here. Clearly I'm struggling to speak today. I just saw that board said 20 minutes for the Velocicoaster, which is really good. Okay, I lied, we just did the Hulk, and it was horrible. I hate that ride so much. I forgot to actually say this morning, I didn't vlog yesterday, just because we had like a really chill pool day, and yeah, literally chill pool day, and then we went to Disney Springs, so there was literally no point in me vlogging. So I didn't. So it's gonna skip a day in the order that these come out. Now doing this for the first time ever, which I'm absolutely terrified for.
Okay! Woo! All right, welcome to Jurassic World, folks. My name is Brian. I am the local Velociraptor expert here, and in just a few moments, you folks are going to be working with a 2-year-old female Velociraptor, and her name is Blue. Now, Blue, she was recently put into our care by Owen Grady. He's our lead behavioralist here. And one fun fact about Blue, she's actually 20% larger than the other raptors that we have here in the park. One not fun fact, Blue is very aggressive and extremely territorial. So for obvious reasons, gang, we're all going to want to keep our hands, our arms, our heads, our small children away from the mouth of the Velociraptor. Cool?
Yep.
I got one yep. That means everybody's liable. Thank you, sir. All right, Blue. No. Come on.
Jurassic World is now proud to present the Mongoliensis, known to the world as Velociraptor.
All right, good girl, Blue. On me, come, good girl. Okay, now you go say hi. Go say hi. Okay, now we gotta calm down. No, calm down. Now what we like to do, you're all gonna just wave to the camera. Wave. Can you get on the black and yellow line? That's the safe line. Yeah, let's get everybody to join and get right on that black and yellow line. Now I want to center you up. Everyone take a step to the right. To the right. There we go. You're doing great. And when you're here in Jurassic World, we don't say cheese. We smile big and say teeth. So smile big, say teeth. Oh my goodness, Blue, you do teeth so well. Look at how well she does teeth.
What do you think of that? I don't know why we've never done that before. That was so funny.
I'm glad we got Blue.
Yeah, me too.
And I'm glad we were the first people to do it as well.
Yeah.
We got the whole introduction.
Yeah. That was so good.
Still going.
That was such a good experience. Because like, even though you know it's coming, it still scares the shit out of you. So now we're gonna ride this. It's only a 20-minute wait.
You want more.
Just having a butterbeer. We've been on Velocicoaster and that was amazing. Then we just went on for the journey. Love that ride, that makes me scream. Oh my god, this music is a bit emotional. We're getting the Hogwarts Express over to the other side.
Cabin A, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait, how about this one?
It's occupied, Harry.
Looks like a bunch of verses.
Let's keep looking.
First fun facts?
Sure.
Yep, Universal 2022. Of course, the first time we came here was
2010.
2010, and probably one of the first rides we rode was Jaws. But of course, Jaws isn't here anymore. Harry Potter
Took over
Alley
it. Yeah.
is built over the top of Jaws. But there's one or two relics of the old Jaws attraction, so we'll point those out as we go around. Record shop. Here's to swimming with bow-legged women. So that was a famous song from the film, and here's a set of Jaws tunes. And they play 70s music in the restroom. And there's a really rude lady who wouldn't move to let us do the picture.
The little fishies. The Simpsons are here. Cut home are goofing around. Where's Bart? Now I'm doing this show. I haven't done this show in 12 years, so I have no idea what to expect. Just did horror makeup show and the Bourne Stuntacular, and they were both really, really good. And now this is reopened, so we're going to use that, and we're going to use the free fast pass that we got on Monday. No! Okay, I'm going to cut myself off here. We can't use the express pass or any sort of fast pass on it. So I don't know if we'll ride this because it's 45 minutes and we didn't want to wait that long because we have other plans.
Morning everyone, I definitely forgot to finish the vlog yesterday, but I knew that I would be putting like these two vlogs together anyway. Today we're going to Volcano Bay. Yesterday, after we got rained out of Universal, then we went to the outlets, then we just came back. God, the back of my hair is disgusting. And then we came back and I was just so tired I went to sleep. So yeah, let's go to Volcano Bay.
What I'm saying is it's a little bit, it seems quite like a bit less busy than the other day, which is good. Mollie here. I've got to end the vlog yesterday and pretty much I think the day before too, but obviously I'm mentioning them together. Yesterday we literally went to Volcano Bay, a storm came again, and then we went to the Walt Disney World store in on International Drive. It wasn't great. I think it's more a ticketing office than anything else. It was very small, but they had some good stuff in there, to be fair. And we went to Bass Pro, and then there's like an outlet near Bass Pro, which I think is actually part of Ireland, but we just didn't know about it. So we went to a few shops there. I didn't buy anything. I've been really good this holiday. I haven't brought a lot. But yeah, this is the end of that vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was good. And yeah, tomorrow we are going to Epcot, so look out for that vlog, and I will see you later.